am Marco, and you can call me anytime. For variables x and y and constant k, if xy is equal to k, then y is inversely proportional to x, or y varies inversely as x. So, in symbols, y and equals to k over x. So, let's start our first example. If C varies inversely as A and C is equals to 5, when A is equals to 3, find C when A is equals to 10. So, C is K over A. To find C when A is equals to 10, we need to find first the constant variation, which is K. So, it says here that C is equals to 5 and A is equals to 3. So, let's start substituting. C is equals to 5 and A is equals to 3. Then, the next step is multiply the C and A. So, 5 times 3 is equals to 15. There you go. Now, you found the value of K. So now, we'll try to find C when A is equals to 10. And C equals to 15 over A. C is equals to 15 over 10. Simplify. C is equals to 3 over 2. There you go. Dang. So now, let's start our second example, but with higher numbers or higher values. So I'll use the two variables y and x. So in this problem, y varies inversely as x, such that when x is equals to 12, y is equals to 9. Now, we need to find y when x equals 7. So, let's do it again what we did in problem. So, let's start our second example, but with higher values. So, I'll use the two variables y and x. So, in this problem, y varies inversely as x, such that when x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 9. The problem is, find y when x is equals to 27. So, let's do what we did in the last problem. Y varies inversely as x. So, x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 9. Multiply these two. So you will get 108. There you go. You found the value of k. Now, let's start solving the problem, which is find y when x is equals to 27. So y equals to 108 over x. Substitute y is equals to 108 over 27. Simplify. The answer is 4. There you go. So now we'll go to the problem number 3. I'll use again the variables y and x so you can understand it. Y varies inversely as x squared. Tama ba? Ay, mali ba? Pause. So now we'll go to the problem number 3. In this problem, y varies inversely as the square of x, such that when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 8. Now the problem is, find y when x is equals to 18. Now, y varies inversely as the square of x. Then, substitute y is equals to 8 and x is equals to 3. Then, solve the squared value first, then multiply. Multiply. The value of k is 72. Now, we need to find the value of y when x is equals to 18. So, copy the equation. Y is equals to 72 over x. Substitute. Y is equals to 72 over 18 squared. Then the answer is 2 over 9. There you go. Now, let's move on to the problem number 4. But with this simple problem is different from all the other problems, because this simple problem has a different values from the other problems. So, problem number 4. F varies inversely as the cube root of s when f is equals to 4 and s is equals to 64. So, in symbols, f is equals to k over the cube root of 64. Oh wait, I'm sorry. So f varies inversely as the cube root of s. So the values of the two variables are f is equals to 4 and s is equals to 64. So let's start substituting. F is equals to 4, then s is equals to 64. So, first, solve this cube root before multiplying with the other variable or value, I mean. So, the cube root of 64 is 4. So, then multiply the two values. So, 4 times 4 is 16. So, we found the value of k. F varies inversely as the cube root of s. Find f when the value of s is equals to 512. Whoa, that's a high value. So, f is equals to 16 over cube root of s. So, f is equals to 16 over the cube root of 512. So, the cube root of 512 is 32. So, f is equals to 16 over 32. Then, simplify. F is equals to 1/2. Here we go at the last problem. So, let's just wrap this up quickly. So, yeah, do the rest of the equation. So, this is the equation. So, substitute. Then, multiply. Then, find b when a is equal to 2. Then, use this equation again. Substitute. So, 54 is over 2. Then, go. So, 54 over 2 is just 54 divided by 2. So, 54 divided by 2 is 27. So, thank you for listening. Hello, I am Marco, and you can call me anytime.
Ano ba yan? Marco!